Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do some cool stuff with Chatgpt. So in this particular tutorial we are going to ask Chatgpt to tell us a joke, write us some funny dialogues, and also play tic-tac-toe with us. So let's go right into it. So the first thing is I'm going to say, can you tell me a funny joke? And hit enter. Once you do that, it's going to give you a classic joke. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Now I'm going to say, I have heard this joke multiple times with ChatGPT. I'm going to say another one, please. So now it's going to give me another joke. This one also I've heard it multiple times. So now I'm going to ask, hey, another one, please. Why was the computer cold? Because it left its windows open. That's a funny one. So these are the jokes that ChatGPT gave. Similarly, I'm going to ask, can you write funny dialogue? So this is another one. Now here I can ask, can you play tic-tac-toe with me? So it's asking, do you know the rules of the game? I'll say, I know the rules. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to ask, simply tell me which space you would like to place your symbol, either X or O. I'll place my symbol in the next available space. We will continue taking turns until one of us gets 3 of our symbols in a row. So do you want to go first or should I? I'll go first. Okay, so this is what my response is. This is like we are playing with a friend, right? So here, remember you are X and I am O. So here I'm going to say put number X at number 5. So what it'll do is it will go ahead and place number 5, place X at number 5, and ChatGPT plays is at number 1 position. Okay. Now similarly, I'm going to place my X at number 3. So I'm going to say, okay, place it number 3 now. It has placed my X at number 3. Now this is the final result is it has placed it's at number 9. So I'll go ahead and place it number 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and place it number 7. This is number 7 that you can see here. I think I won the game. Okay, so it's probably looking at it is looking for a row. Okay, so here I'm going to say, I'll say number 4. And then the only place it is left is 8. So I think none of us won. So this is a draw game, right? You can see here nobody won. So you can play tic-tac-toe with it. Now you can also go ahead and ask for rewriting of an article, or you can ask it to write an article for you. So if let's say you are an SEO or a content writer and you are somebody who likes to write blog posts, then you can also use ChatGPT to write blogs for you. So here, let's say, can you give me a 1,000-word article on yoga? So this is what I have asked ChatGPT, is to write me an article. Now what it's going to do is it's going to write an article, and this is not going to be plagiarized also. Means you can actually see if ChatGPT has copied the contents from anywhere. It will not. It's completely unique content. It is going to give you, and you can actually use this for your blog purposes or anything else. It's up to you. So it's very powerful in writing articles as well. Similarly, you can also do other things with ChatGPTs. Let's say if you have a Shopify store and you are looking to write some product descriptions. Let's say you have a store around home goods stuff, means where you sell furniture related or like household stuff. Then you can actually ask ChatGPT to write product descriptions for you. Now you can see here, based on our previous answer that we asked, it has given a great article on yoga, and you can actually use this article for your website. Similarly, I can also ask it to write a 200-word long product description. Write me 200 words long product description for table fan. Let's say I have a table fan. Now it's going to write a nice product description for it. Okay, so you can see here is a 200-word product description for a table fan. So it's pretty good. It uses those catchy phrases. Whoever is want to buy it, it'll give a good overview of the table fan and all of that. So you can see here, this is what the description the ChatGPT has given. One important thing I would definitely like to mention is not every time the response from ChatGPT is going to be accurate. It is still in a development phase. People are still working behind to make it better. So you should always test the results of your queries with Google just to make sure it is giving you a correct results. It's pretty good that you can use ChatGPT for a lot of cool things, but always keep in mind that the results are not always accurate. Now, other thing that you can do with ChatGPT is it can help you with your assignments. So let's say if you are a student and you need some help with your math problems, it'll go ahead and do it for you. So here I'll say, can you help me with my math assignment? So it's going to ask you what your assignment is all about, and then it'll going to help us. So here I'll say 25, I'll say square of 25. So what is the square of 25? It is equals to 625. I'm hoping it's going to give me the right results. You can see here it is 625. Similarly, I'll say cube of 25. So it's going to be 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25. I'm hoping it is 15625. So this is the answer it has given. Now, if I'll use calculator, let's see if the answer matches. So I'll say 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25 is equals to 15625. So it is giving you exact result. Similarly, I can ask it to give me another, let's say I'll say 100 plus 70 minus 10. What is the answer for this? So it's going to give you a proper answer. It'll do 160. And it'll also explain to you why it came into that conclusion. So it's going to be 160. So it has given so far the correct result. So you can also use it for your math assignment. You can use it for article generation, and also to play tic-tac-toe with you. Similarly, it can also summarize an article for you as well. So let's say you have found an article which is too long to read. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize the article as well. So here I can say, can you summarize an article for me? And let's say we found an article on breathing. Okay, breathing exercises. Let's say I do have a book on that. So article on breathing exercise, and let's say this is the article that you have found, and let me go ahead and copy this whole article here. So let's say we go ahead and copy this whole thing, and I'm gonna say now it's going to write me a summary of this particular article. Go ahead and play around with ChatGPT. It can do a lot of cool stuff. It can also help you with programming. So if you are a programmer, ChatGPT would be a life changer for you. It will increase your productivity to next level. So we will see how we can use it to debug our code or write code for us in the next couple of lectures. So I'm going to see you then. Thank you so much.